I thought these UFOs were drones. I was like, there ain't nothing but a drone show. I mean, you can obviously tell that.
I don't think that's a drone.
And so this guy didn't think it was a drone either. And then you're gonna see something, you know, in a minute. So this guy's gonna pan down to the ground and pan up, and something's gonna happen. So these things are taking strange formation, and he says drones don't move like this. Okay, I want you to keep watching because it looks like drones, you know, to me. And so he pans down, and he's gonna pan back up. Now it's a helicopter coming in, right there, and it's gonna fly over there. And look at the size of the helicopter in comparison to these balls of light here. Okay, you see that?
There's more coming up.
And so it's more coming up from the ground. But look at the movement of this. And I've seen this before, man. They make this kind of DNA thing.
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, see that?
They're not. Drones can't move in sync like that. No.
So what are these?
I think it's
You know? And why do I keep seeing them make this DNA? What is this, the government? Like, what are they doing, you know? I don't know what these craft are, but they can't be drones. And I want you to check out the one in the middle, right there. Keep focusing on that one. Watch what it does.